Yo, what's poppin', everybody? So I just came back from town. I went to pick a 3D printer that I bought and shipped from the US. So I've just picked this from Savo store along Mombasa Road, Vision Plaza, and now I'm just about to unwrap it. But yeah, so let me just go ahead and unwrap it and see what we have inside. So let me flip over the camera so you can have a look. So here's the box. So let me just pick my scissors. I got a pair of scissors right here. There we go. So here we are. What do we have here? Bambu Lab. You see that? Woo! Ooh. This thing looks crazy, my man. This thing looks crazy. Bambu Lab A1 Mini.
So that was me exactly 1 year ago, back in 2024, December. So right now I'm recording this on 25th December, Christmas Day. So much of 2025 was spent coding. I was working on some app projects and content creation. So I did not do a lot of documentation of my 3D printing projects. I did some 3D printing projects on the side. I 3D printed quite a few things, but one of my goals for buying the 3D printer was to be able to document and share my 3D printing journey with my audience, with you. But I did not do that in 2025. Most of my 3D printing was just private and experimentation, but I would think of that as a learning period, because during that time I also improved my 3D modeling skills. Now I'm very proficient in plasticity, which is my favorite CAD modeling software, and I've shared my journey in plasticity for most of this year. Now I think going into 2026 I want to document my 3D printing journey. It's finally time. Now that I have my CAD skills up, I can use those CAD skills to model all the various ideas, all the various objects I have been thinking of, and 3D print them. I'm going to be sharing tutorials on how to model 3D printable projects. So if you're interested in this kind of content, make sure you subscribe so you can be notified anytime I drop something new. And the first thing we're going to be working on is a camera rig for my Sony ZV-E10. We're going to be 3D printing a camera rig, a professional camera rig that I already modeled. I'm very excited to show it to you very soon. Next video, watch out. Until next time, stay creative.